Yung first was also very challenging to work with yung Illustrator that happened, I think, way back 2015, 2014 yata. I quite forgot. But the challenge of creating historical series kasi the of course the look, that's what really matters. The way you speak, the of course on the production side, the design, of course sa directors and creatives naman, how it's written, how it's shot. Ngayon kasi now that we are in an age of, very, every time that we do series, mga series and mga teleseries, merong revolution when it comes to technology. So, parang ngayon, mas madali nagagawa yung mga bagay that we want to do. Unlike before, it was very challenging kasi parang, of course, number one, yung look, yung production design. That's number one. Kasi yung locations, carefully picked. I think yun yung common denominators ng mga legacy series. It's really locations. And ako nagugulat na meron pala tayong mga ganong location dito sa atin. But I think moreover the challenge is kasi Ilustrado is a story based on the life of Jose Rizal, international hero. But Ilustrado is basically fiction. So we are telling the stories for the first time again. And parang this is a collective storytelling of the different kwentos from our lolo and lola during yung mga World War II babies. So binibigyan natin ng visuals yung kwento nila with this project. So pero kumbaga mahirap yung Ilustrado pero mas mahirap kung Pulang Araw because of syempre we are tackling World War II. So maraming war scenes, maraming bombing scenes, fight scenes. At the same time, yung first time akong nakagawa ng project na medyo may emotional impact sa akin after a certain scene. Kasi you will ask yourself, like especially when we shot the mga torture scenes and the rape scenes, yung basically when the Japanese already occupied mostly of the Philippines. There's a lot of inhumane acts that was committed during that time. And na parang naiisip ko na I am very grateful that I don't know, baka hindi lang din kinikwento ng mga lolo't lola ko sa akin. Pero what if na-experience nila yun? Yung ganun klaseng pagyurak sa kanilang pagkatao. So, yun yung very disturbing sa akin. But at the end of the day, very fulfilling and rewarding siya. Kasi kahit pa paano sa mga hindi na abutan yung World War II, ito yun. At pinapakita natin sa kanila ano yung pinagdaanan ng mga tao for us to be able to achieve our freedom that we have right now.